Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Maan Fashion. How are you? I hope my all friends and viewers will be fine, okay, and doing well and enjoying the life with their sweet family and friends like me. I'm also good, perfect. Alhamdulillah, thanks of my Allah. So let's back to our video. Today I'm going to share with you very adorable and perfect collection. Crochet babies frock styles, designs and ideas for baby girls. You can see in this video many beautiful flare type crochet work. Some are sleeveless, with sleeves, quarter sleeves, half sleeves, full sleeves, and some are without shoulder. You can see in this video many beautiful perfect collection for your beautiful girls. Crochet work is too trendy work, too trending days crochet collection because it's handmade collection, knitting collection. I think everyone like a crochet work, crochet outfits, bags, shoes, and many more accessories you can see in this video through my channel Maan Fashion. Some are contrast color, red green, red white, pink white, pink green, green and red, blue and red yellow, and many more. So please, bundle of thanks for watching my video. See you again till the next video. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Superb day. Al Hafiz.